Hello, my name's Damien, and this is How to Survive a Snowstorm. You're probably thinking, why should I trust a scrawny gay kid with a pink pimple patch on and a 4-inch wiener? Well, I actually like women. Start off by putting on a hood, and another, and one more. Alright, now put on some thick black pants. If it's super cold, then make sure to double coat. If not, then you should be fine. Now put on a hat. If you have your mom's old neck cover, put that on too. Put on another hat to look swag. Now put some gloves on. Make sure you bring a survival backpack with nothing in it. Alright, now that we got the bag, let's get some shoes, let's go. Alright, so if you got some waterproof steel toe work boots, put them bitches on. Adam, how's that? Now you got your boots on, make sure you get your GoPro if you have one. Alright, now that we look sexy, let's get ready to go. Let's go. Alright, now we walked outside. Let's try to text our friend to see if they're ready to get picked up. Make sure they have autism too. Those are the best types. Alright, make sure to start running now. Alright, now I can start sliding. There we go. Alright, y'all, we have encountered piles of snow. Holy frick. And there's a freaking plow truck thingy. P.S. It is 1 a.m. in the morning, so I'm pretty sure that's the reason why there's nobody out. Oh, I've always wanted to do that. Alright, guys, I see another one. Don't jump in snow, guys. It's freezing. Okay, there's a tree. Let's continue. Wow, snow piles up. It's cool. Skate. All right, honest question, y'all. Have you guys ever like tried shit, but like you shit so much in the day previously that like you start to get hemorrhoids and it's low-key burning your back, but you don't have any of those like dude wipes, so you can't like wipe your down to the point where it's not burning anymore. So you low-key put your fingers up your to try and like accentuate the burn so it gets less burning after you burn it. Or is that just me? Come again another day, I am gay. Holy fuck. Oh, how cold it is. All right, survival tip. If you encounter a pile of snow, I don't know. Where's my dad? I'm alone. So anyway, coming up this hill, I should encounter a human being, but we're about to find out. Oh my God! What's good, bro?
You got a GoPro on your chest?
Yeah, bro.
Oh shit, let me see what's up.
Yo, I feel like I'm on top of the world, man.
This is actually fun, yeah. I was thinking that one. This snow is deep as shit, bro. Did you walk inside? Oh yeah, you just did.
Bro, I jumped in it a couple times. There's like some massive piles over there.
I'm lucky sweating too, shit. Oh.
Did it?
Let's just skate 3. She has somebody around thing outside.
Somebody around like who, you think, man?
Maybe.
Shit. Yeah. Basically, we're teaching these people how to survive a snowstorm. Tight shit.
It's not even up.
Trust me, it gets like the big point of view. Oh shit, never mind. I just wasn't.
Oh shit.
What?
It's just some ritzy ass feet right now.
It's like shit, it wasn't that whole time?
No.
Fuck. You gotta take my legs
shit.
and propel my ass downwards.
I think the adrenaline is the only thing that's gonna be able to get me through this shit. My hand's cold. Oh shit.
Man, damn, I caught an ambulance.
I'm gonna get sleds, but she got cameras and her family don't know where her.
Alright, y'all. Heard that's not our house. We just robbed it. My mama was home when you left.
You're right.
Alright, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, let me just push you. Oh, 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 fuck. Come on! I feel like I'm scared!
Oh, I thought it was sponsored.
You said put your mask up. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Na-na-na-na-na-na-na. Like, what the hell?
I got covered in snow, bro.
Yo, 3, 2. Damn, bro.
Well, I'm ready.
This your pass?
I'll go first.
Oh shit! What? Fuck you, ball. Oh shit! Oh! Ah! Can you push?
I guess it. Bye, y'all.
Alright, sorry y'all, I want to apologize. The video is not quite over yet. I'm gonna try to get it to be at least like 6 to 7 minutes long. So yeah, we're basically like pretty much there. Anyway, I quite clearly did not demonstrate how to survive a snowstorm properly, but I still hope you enjoyed the video. Honestly, the rest of the footage just completely eradicated from existence. I'm lying. I accidentally time-lapsed it instead of putting it into a normal video. But anyway, I hope you guys all very much, super much enjoyed. Shout out to Faye in the comments, bro. I appreciate you, bro. I'm not gonna lie, I appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you guys. Subscribe if you like Flamingo. Hit that sub button because I need some subscribers right now, and get me to 100 billion subscribers by next week. Goodbye, I love you.
Mr. B6000